In 2017, Tom Peterson was carjacked and killed in North Philly.
His last words were, "I can't breathe."
Khalif Tuggle is in state prison for his murder, but could get out in as little as 10 years. Philadelphia prosecutors charged him with third-degree murder.
That sentence is a miscarriage of justice. It is a cruel slap in the face to Mr. Peterson's family.
Monday, U.S. Attorney William McSwain laid out a fresh 3-count federal indictment against Tuggle, including a first-degree murder charge which could lead to life in prison. Tuggle is one of 117 Philadelphia murder suspects an NBC10 investigation identified in February. We found each arrested for a gun crime that wasn't charged. Each of those 117 suspects were later charged with a murder.
We're not lighter or softer on guns in terms of charging than any other administration.
The Philadelphia District Attorney's Office responded to the U.S. Attorney's charges and critique, saying it would be inappropriate and irresponsible to comment on any case being prosecuted by another office for which we do not have all of the facts. In February, the head of Larry Krasner's homicide unit did talk to us about how the office charges gun crimes and how it charged Khalif Tuggle.
I would never make the argument that somebody with that record going into a gun offense would receive the max consecutive penalty for all of the offenses, because it flies in the face of what the criminal justice system is based on, which is fairness.
The U.S. Attorney believes what he calls light sentences encourage violence. He says Tom Peterson's murder is just one example.
I'm concerned about all of the other ticking time bombs that the District Attorney's Office is setting up, where you have other people who are still in jail, but they're not in jail nearly as long enough as they should be.
And right now in 2020, Philadelphia is on pace to have its highest murder rate in over a decade. And one thing that both federal as well as local law enforcement and prosecutors can agree on and do agree on is the cause for that. They trace much of that back to the ease of getting guns, both if you are legally purchasing a gun and if you have prior felonies. It's the latest. Mold City, I'm Mitch Blacher, NBC10 News.
Mitch, thanks.